Good morning, Cypress Lake members. As you can see in some of those videos, the back 9 bunkers were severely washed out. We had 3.5 inches of rain yesterday, less than an hour. As you can see, the front 9 new bunkers, very minimal washouts, very minimal damage, very minimal labor to get them back. Able to open faster without having to have guys out there constantly fixing the washouts. So I believe the investment on the bunker solutions was a good idea. You know, these are pretty big flash faces here on 4. They look pretty good. Keep you guys updated. We are starting on the back 9 as of Wednesday on the bunkers, and I think it was a good idea with the bunker solutions. Let's have a good weekend.